Guys, welcome to the new MakeUGC dashboard. I'm going to show you a quick run through on how everything works, how the new layout is, and how you can use it. So we've trained it around product in hand a little bit here, and you're going to be able to generate creators directly from prompts. You just type in exactly what you're looking for here. I've generated one as an example. Click this bottom left icon to see product, and then you can change around dimensions here. Once you select, you can pick the actor, what you would like to go ahead and generate, and then type in a script, select a voice, and generate a voice preview just to make sure everything is fine. From there, it will be added into a folder, and we have our projects folder here with any of the videos that you've generated beforehand. So I've played around already with the product in hand and some talking head videos. Now we've added over 100 creators onto the platform. So to create the avatar video, the layout again has changed a little bit. You can select from text to speech and speech to speech, and then you can pick one of over 300 actors. We're adding more on now. We're just doing the whole new update right now. So there's tons more to come. You can sort through these filters on the left-hand side, just as before. Go ahead and build this up even further, seeing the most popular at the top. You can select up to 100 creators at once. Of course, if you need more than 20 credits, you can just book in a call with us as well. Once you've selected a creator, just go ahead and add. Preview the audio here by generating. Test around emotion, tone, and clarity. You can generate these as many times as you like and reset them just from default here as well. Once you're all happy with it, you can go ahead and generate. We also have an AI script writer, which you can go ahead and use to generate viral winning ads. Now we have our other features here, like our editing requests. So if you need a white glove service and you need somebody to edit your ads so they're ready to upload organically or on paid video, you can go ahead and subscribe here, or you can send us an email, book and a call if you're doing more than 20 videos. We have our AI hooks feature, which is more or less the same, and the create your own avatar, which is exactly the same by uploading a video, and then you can go ahead and create your own custom avatar. That's on top of the product in hand. You'll be able to already create your own avatar through this feature as well. And our AI hooks is prompt to video and video hooks to generate B-roll here. And this works exactly the same way, just in a new layout. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a rundown of the new platform. If you do have any questions at all, you can just reach out to the team and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you, and I'll see you on the inside.